All right. So this is the my post-market review of the market. Um, I didn't take any trades today. Couldn't make sense of it. This is what my charts look like. As you can see, my only level that I had here was the buying. I didn't mark this at the time because, well, price price looked like it was lagging. But I wish that I did mark this area at least a little bit. But we'll get back to that because I don't really like to mark um, the doji ones, right? But we did come to this level here around 8:30, and we bounced. Never got any true confirmation that I like. I mean, this is cool, but we did get a retest. I was hoping we get a deeper retest, but we didn't. Price just came here and then just took off. I could have drawn a channel like this, right? So nice um, channel here. Price came down, broke out of the channel, waited for the open, came down, tested this level here where we had buying again, and then took off. So if I was to go to the 1 minute chart, it looks something like this here, right? Um, which I'd probably be looking for another channel for an entry, which we never got. So from here to here, it's been like that. Actually, probably did get one. Actually, yeah. So from here to there, like that. Make this a little cleaner. Like this. Yeah. All right. So probably could have bought at this candle at 952. Anywhere around here, and then just not be too risky. This is about 11 points, so this here is about 10 points. So about the break here like this would have been fine, and then just let price move towards my direction. So I like this here. I don't like this pullback. Um, and then we pushed up, right? So that was truly the only setup that was there. But this push out, I would be looking for a price to come up to here, and we never really got that. We pushed up, and then it's kind of like came all the way back down, pushed up, came all the way back down, and then we finally like moved up to where I like price to be at. This would have been a tough trade to stay in for about 3 hours and 25 minutes, almost 3 hours and 40 minutes. So this would have been tough to stay in this trade for me personally. Um, when sellers kind of tried to step in here, but got annihilated right here. They tried to sell again, but it was very weak, and then buyers just stepped in and kept pushing price up. And this is the only spot where sellers actually dominated the buyers. So here, sellers dominated volume-wise, but candle-wise, buyers took precedent, and then selling tried to push was very weak. Then we had a retest. So that's basically it as far as that goes. As far as the levels that I saw afterwards, going back to this area here where we had buying at the end of the day, price bounced off of this area several times. Pushed down, I like it was gonna break, and then pushed back up, and then we came down to it perfectly, and then pushed back up. Right? Um, if we go into the 5 minute chart, or let's go piece by piece. So let's do the 15-minute chart. Yeah, let's do the 15-minute chart. So we do the 15-minute chart. Right, we have this nice push here. Price pushes up strongly, come down, and then I'd probably be looking for an entry here or an entry over here at 12.15. So let's say I tried an entry here. Let's see if I can find one. Let's draw a channel for this pullback. So we'll look at this area to see if I can find anything. And then we'll look at this one here as well. Maybe like so. Yeah, that looks good. Alright. Alright, so these two here are what I'll be looking for. So let's go into the 5-minute chart and take a look to see what we got. So here we got a mixture of buying and selling, and price pushes up. So probably could have looked for entry around this candle. And then let's go into the 1-minute chart. Just go to the 1-minute chart and see right here will be the entry. This is at 45. No, that's too early. No, that's actually right. Yeah, 44. Yeah, right here. Should have been an entry. So let's see if this one plays out well. No, this one is short. I would have to put the stop loss maybe under here. Let's see how big is this stop loss first. 14 compared to 7. So if I bring the stop loss about here, there we go. And break initial balance, that would have been a nice exit right here. Okay, so that one, and then let's do the second one. This one looks pretty good. I could make this tighter. I would like it like this. I could bring this up, that, alright. And then can we make it tighter on the 1 minute? Let's make this like that, like this, right? Boom. Okay, so I like this break here. This is 25, push back, held. Alright, so then we say, okay, I can try to enter here, stop loss there, yeah, and then just let price rise. The price stays in my favor the entire time, and we push and just let price go until price reclaims a level. So it reclaims there. We just made the double head and shoulder pattern, whatever that is. So 576 all the way down to this is over 33 points. So this would have been a nice trade if I was able to spot it. I couldn't spot it on this here because the trade happened here. Actually, I could have. It's the 50% line. I just probably just couldn't see it. There's so much going on my chart. Alright, this is the 50% line, and it's also the 10 o'clock area. This is what I was trying to make sense of. Let's see what this looks like under Heikin Ashi. I'm exhausted, not gonna lie. Right here, Alright, so that's perfect. As we stay in here. So on the Heikin it does look good. So this could have been a nice trade. A 10 a.m. retest being tested at 12:25, and then so about an hour. So I'm gonna have to really review some of these ideas, review some of my videos, and make notes of what I'm seeing that's sticking out, like this 10 a.m. retest here, and or the Heikin level from the 330 right over here, and the prior day close. Right, prior day close have been very significant. Alright, so that's it for me for today. I'm logging off and be back hopefully over the weekend to go over my trades and what I've seen, and probably play some of this class action back. Hopefully it plays out cleanly for me. Alright, that's it for today.